along and search with me. There's so much in nature to see. Grab your vest, your boots, your guide. It's a scavenger hunt. Come outside. With Mrs. Kate, we learn and play. Let's explore the world today.
Hi, explorers! It's Miss Kate, and today we're at one of my favorite places, the creek. Here in the fall, it is such a magical place. The fall is full of big changes. All of the leaves start to change colors because they lose chlorophyll, that green color we learned about last week. Today we're going to do some fun experiments, sing some fun songs, and learn some more fun facts about nature. Come along with us.
Scientists use all 5 of their senses to observe. Let's use our eyes today and see what we can spot. Pine cone. P-I-N-E-C-O-N-E. Pine cone. Fern. F-E-R-N. Fern. Slug. S-L-U-G. Slug. Moss. M-O-S-S. Moss. Minnow. M-I-N-N-O-W. Minnow. Spider. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Leaves have veins that help to carry water and nutrients from the tree to the leaf. Worm. W-O-R-M. Worm. Snail. S-N-A-I-L. Snail. Strider. S-T-R-I-D-E-R. Strider. In the fall, animals prepare for winter. Squirrels gather and store nuts. Deer grow thicker fur. And even turtles slow down in the cold weather. Bears, how they prepare is they hibernate. They eat all fall long, and then in the winter, they take a long nap in their caves. They sleep, and they wait for warmer days.
Hey, explorers! Today we're going on a bear hunt. Come along with us. Going on a bear hunt.
Going on a bear hunt.
It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day.
We're gonna catch a cuddly one.
Gonna catch a cuddly one.
We're so brave.
We're so brave.
It's tall, tall grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. Oh no, somebody's crazy. We can't cross over it.
We can't
We can't look under it. We gotta go through it. Whoa, a dark forest. We can't fly over it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it. Look, a windy hill. We can't fly over it. We can't dig through it. We gotta go over it.
Oh my, a shadowy cave. It's dark and quiet. Let's tiptoe inside. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that sound?
Two big eyes, two big ears, one
furry nose. It's a bear! Oh man! Run out of the cave, run down the hill, run through the forest, run through the grass, run we made it safely back.
Fall rain helps prepare the forest for winter by soaking the soil, nourishing trees, and refilling streams. It also gives animals a fresh water source and helps mushrooms, moss, and tiny plants thrive before the cold season sets in.
These tree rings can help us to see how old this tree was. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This tree was 15 years old.
Look at these green patches growing on the rocks. This is moss and algae. And even though they are tiny, they play a huge role in keeping our creek healthy. Moss acts like a soft sponge. It helps filter the water, trapping tiny bits of dirt so the creek stays clean and clear. It also gives small insects and little critters a safe place to hide. If you look closely, you might even spot a baby salamander or a water insect tucked underneath. Algae is the slippery green layer you sometimes feel under the rocks. It might not look exciting, but is actually one of the most important foods in the creek. Tiny critters like snails and even little fish eat the algae to grow big and strong. So next time you're exploring a stream, remember moss and algae aren't just pretty or slimy. They're hard-working little helpers that keep the water clean, feed the animals, and make the whole creek come alive.
Guys, on these cold, wet days during the fall and winter, it can be really hard for small birds and squirrels and animals to find food. So one of the things we can do is we can help them. We can take some pine cones, a little bit of peanut butter or sunflower butter or really any kind of natural butter. Just smear some of that all over the pine cone. Make sure it gets all nice and in those pine cone grooves. Then we will take some of this bird seed and we'll sprinkle it over top. Make sure to get it all nice and in there. Then once we're done, we'll just take some string. Tie that string around the pine cone.
Explore the world today. Find a leaf, a rock, a bug, a tree. So many wonders wait for.
Then when you're done, just find a nice tree, hang our treat up for our friends, and then they can come and have dinner time.
Oh ho, oh ho, oh ho, 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 ho. In my nature laboratory, I explore every day. Bugs and flowers, rocks and seeds, I watch them all at play. The butterflies flap their wings, the ants march in a line. I write it down, I draw it out, my experiments are fine. In my nature laboratory, come and play with me. Look at all.
Hey explorers, it's science time. We're gonna do a fun rainbow volcano. We're gonna use a vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base. And when those two come together, it causes a reaction. And that reaction is gonna be incredible. Let's see what happens.
With me, look at all the things we find outside so carefully.
Lemons also make a fun volcano alternative.
In my nature laboratory, let's explore and play. Drew ho, oh ho, oh ho, ho, ho.
As the days grow shorter and temperatures drop, these birds begin their incredible journey south for the winter. Flying in formation or flocks, they navigate thousands of miles, guided by instinct and the changing of seasons. Every flight is a remarkable display of nature's timing and teamwork.
Hey there explorers, I had so much fun with you today. We went on a bear hunt, we learned some new words, we learned some animal facts, we did a fun craft and a fun experiment. Now I'm gonna wind down with some awesome s'mores and enjoy the night. Goodbye, explorers. See you next time.
So many wonders wait for you and me. Look up high, look down low. Treasures hide where flowers grow. Count the colors, touch the bark. Listen close to the meadowlark. Hey, 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 with Mrs. Kate we explore.
Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun